Hello traders, this is Yusuf. So today is 14 January, NY session about to start. Another 10 minutes. I'm analyzing this market. So what I can see, there is a fair value gap in 30-minute chart. So this fair value gap is exactly in the golden zone. So if we see the golden zone here, right? You can see this is the golden zone, right? So definitely I need to wait till 4608 and then 4618, right? So then I have identified my positions. So here we'll put a note. Buy at 4600. 0 1. Yeah. So let's see other way around. If we go to the 15-minute chart, what we can see is market is in a uptrend, but yes, there is a resistance which it's try. There is a liquidity. All the retailers has moved out, and then market goes up. Then again it's liquidated. Again goes up. So there's a consolidation area, right? So this consolidation area, if we mark this as a consolidation area, then what we can see? We can see that what you can see is like that. What is what? Oh, I cannot catch like this. So instead that we will use parallel channel tool, right? So what we can see is can say this goes up and this down, this goes up, this goes down, this goes up, this goes down, again go up, again go down. So ideally, if this is goes below, then it will break, and if this goes up, so then we'll take a long at 4643. So if we take a long here, right? So four, six, four, three. Basically, I am a scalper and I am a guerrilla trader. I follow that strategy. I don't want to be like stuck in the market. I don't follow intraday. So today's trade I will place based on the news, which we will yet to publish on 7:30. Another 35 minutes. So here we can see this right now. If we see the volumes here, right? So what is volume is telling us? Volume is telling buyers are doing aggression, right? This is the how many times this has been rejected? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So even though this looks still bullish, but yes, buyers are in control, and the volume is in the downside here, you can see, right? So today bottom line is we'll wait till market goes down and then put a buy stop 4601, right? That's our plan. So today I'll talk about my weakness. The first weakness I have, entering trade too early. So that's why I'm using stop order in these two areas. And then my second weakness is exit the trade too early by touching the SL. I'm working on it to improve, but still I'm not able to make this, because whenever I execute a trade, it looks like, my IQ levels drop down and I keep changing the sell and book the profits. That's why my trade exits early. So today my aim is to focus to improve the process, not to enter the trade too early. And my second focus is on not to exit the trade early. So these two I will work it out. You can see the moment is closing, NY open, another 3 minutes, so buying volume goes up. But what I feel like it cannot broke 1, 2, 3, 4. The support you can see, right? If we go to 1 minute now, what we can see is, right? So what is the battleground telling us? WXYXZ, it will go down. We will see a NY open, hoping that market will go down, right? Here, let's see. but volume is telling other things, showing. Ooh, why is open with a huge long. You can see those buyers has been dragging down, right? I'm hoping it will come to here. So this candle has overlapped by this, you can see, right? Market is so noisy. Today I'm planning to take two trades with 10 plus 10, $20 SL. The first trade, I'll take $10 SL. You see how it's reacting. Everything is now red. So basically what we need to do is to go back to 15 minutes, right? And we need to set a price alert at here. So the price alert has been set. See, a professional trader he sets the price alert and take some relaxed time, because once this price will come to here, he will execute the trades based on his plan. And the random trader, he do not have any plan. He just, you know, enter and exits market randomly, right? So you need to be careful, whoever are watching my videos as a beginners. You need to be careful and you need to be smart, because in the screen, in your opposite sides, whoever is sitting and doing the trades, they are more smarter than you. This candle, one candle comes here. Hmm. See, I can tell you like what, there's a very big opportunity in the trading market. There is no other market which is 24 hours open for the 7 days or 5 days. Work market is open for 5 days. Crypto market is open for 7 days, 24 hours. But yes, of course, I definitely suggest people not to do crypto, because nobody knows why and how market goes up and downs. That's a crazy. At least forex, commodities, and other things has some base, right? You see how market is reacting now. And you need to be careful from your broker. You need to select a good broker. In our Asian region, people use XNS, but in XNS it's very random to cash in and cash out. You need to compare this with other broker and you can see whichever it fits with you and your style. You can trade with that broker. You can text me or email me if you need any help. I don't recommend people because they need to think by their own. So what I'll do is I'll take a short break for 10 minutes and I'll come back at 7:15. Okay, till then you see the market how it reacts. I'll put 1 minute for your easy reference. See, below this zone, okay, don't want to go, but yes, these fields are coming here. These weeks are coming because this is a small trend. That's why sellers are pushing here, but still they want to go up, right? So we need to identify the 15 minutes support and resistance. To do that, first we need to identify this is the support, right? To identify a support resistance, what you need to do is you need to hide, you need to do this, right, with the line marks, and you can see wherever the price has turned around repeatedly. So this is the area of price turning, right? You can see. I'm showing you again. This up because this down, and then this goes up, this goes down. So 4633 is a key zone, right? So in that case, we need to go back to the candles, we need to unhide, and we need to see what is 4633 doing, because you can see there's indecision candle here, there's indecision candle here. So in that case you need to put the support and resistance directly like this level, right? There's a key zone, so key zone, press key zone, then this is the support. Yes, so market definitely will go come to here and then it will liquidate here, right? Yes, so in that case you need to find as this level, right? Something somewhere like this, because you see one support here and you can see another support here. So I'm assuming this will come to here because market always like to harness the liquidity. He will kick out from here, then come back to here. So here to here and then here, right? So if I'm assuming this, let's see. You can see every time frame are bearish now within 10-15 minutes. So as a trader, what you need to do is you need to wait. You can find a buy, but where? Here, right? Let's see. So I'm taking a break for 10 minutes. I'll come after 7:20. So welcome back, traders. As you can see, price has gone up as per the CVD. So what we can do is we'll take now preparations. We'll take now preparations for 7:30 trade. First we need to see where are we, right? So between 15 minutes this is the broker chart, right? So between 15 minutes we need to set this 15-minute chart. Right, so here right. So what we need to do is we'll go to 5 minute. You see the beautiful consolidations, right? This is aligned. I'll go to the 1 minute chart. Right. So what is the direction? Direction is telling us there is a week, right? So definitely this week will be filled, right? So what we'll do is we'll set buy order limits 0.05 lots. We'll set SL to 30. So 30 pips means 20 pips. No, we can put 20 pips minimum. $8 coming, right? 20 pips, 30 pips, right? We'll set market limits. Here we'll set the take profit to 100, right? So now we'll fit the positions, right? Here, yes. So we need to reduce the lot size, basically 0.03 to adjust the SL. So we'll have 40, right? So now what we can do is This will not hit now, so again we need to place stop order right here, right? 30. It is okay now. So we have placed the trade. Market distance is 1.67, right? I don't know how this has been hit. Very terrible. Why this trade has been pressed? 31 pips just taken in one shot. Not so clear here. Oh my god. Just within a second. There's a possibility another two will put. Let's see how does it react. So this has been closed again. Three dots, right? If we see more closely,
So